Dental crowns and bridges are meant to restore tooth structure. Basically, what happens when you get a cavity, you get a filling. A filling will weaken a tooth. A little filling weakens it a little. A big one or multiple ones weaken it a lot. A crown comes into play when 50% of the tooth has restorations in it. The tooth has been weakened. Those fillings have become like a wedge. Biting down, they tend to break teeth, in fact, split them off. This is when we have to go to what's called a crown. Now, the crown is prepared differently, so it's like a hoop around an old whiskey barrel or a wine barrel. A crown will strengthen a tooth, whereas a filling will weaken a tooth. A little filling weakens it a little, a big filling weakens it a lot. So the crown is meant to strengthen the tooth, wraps around it, and holds it together. And they also look better. Instead of a big, ugly, old silver filling, the crown is a tooth-colored material, porcelain usually, and not only does it restore function, but it restores the aesthetics. Think about this. Dental restorations are prostheses. You don't think of them that way, but they are, like eyeglasses or hearing aids. Unlike those two things, they restore the function like they do, but they also restore the aesthetics. When we do a crown, we make it look like a natural tooth as well as working like a natural tooth. What a bridge is designed to do is replace a missing teeth. Imagine a bridge over a river. It starts on one end and goes across to the other. Everybody knows what a bridge is. When it comes to dental bridges, it does a lot of the same thing. Basically, the most fundamental one is you have two teeth doing the work of three. Now, two healthy teeth can do the work of three. As long as those teeth on either side, we call the abutments, are sound, a two-tooth, three-tooth, four-tooth bridges are quite common. As the span gets longer, like the Golden Gate, the bridge sometimes is not strong enough, and you need to consider implants, where we put a man-made root in and replace the missing teeth with man-made substitutes. That's what an implant is.